Y'all, I'm tired. I'm out of breath. I'm so out of shape. Oh my god. But yeah, we got 6 totes worth of stuff. So yeah. If you're interested in watching me me change out my closet, then keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamia. Welcome to Tamyah's World. If you're new, I just want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for checking out my videos. Like that fashion video got almost 400 views. What? Like, I guess y'all like fashion videos. Since it is now colder and I'm in Georgia. I'm about to pretty much just flip out my closet, take my summer and spring stuff, pack it away like I did my winter stuff, and bring my winter stuff and fall stuff back. If you're interested in seeing my closet, partial low-key room tour, then stay tuned. This might be the last one. 6 totes worth of stuff. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm out of breath. I'm so out of shape. Oh my god. But yeah, we got 6 totes worth of stuff. So yeah. If you're interested in watching me change out my closet, then keep watching. Okay, so here's my closet. One door has my purses, little tote bags. I'm so out of breath. Oh my god. Maybe like a scarf or two, some belts. Other one has robes. Yeah, I collect robes when I go thrifting. So god. Okay, I'm on my bed because my camera don't go wide enough. But yeah, here are all the totes. The rose my boyfriend gave me. Oh my god, it never died. It's meow. But yeah, here's the totes. I'm gonna go through everything. I did laundry, so anything that I was hanging up in my closet is pretty much in this pile. And then I think these two, I'm gonna put these in my closet. But yeah, here's my cat. Here's Tess. Mama. Look, little girl. Look at me. Look at the camera. Up here. Mama. There you go. Yay. Little eye roll. In the left door, I pretty much just have, well, right now I have skirts over here, shorts, some stuff that I tried on during the week that I just threw up there. Little biker shorts, like, I guess sports type of pants. And then it pretty much continues. Like dressy pants right here, another dress that I tried on the week, overalls, and then more jeans. And then on this side, hanging up, is like crop tops, tank tops, bodysuits, long sleeve bodysuits, tanks, like dressy tanks, crop top tanks, like the muscle tee or muscle, I don't know, sweater type of thing, dressy crop tops, t-shirt crop tops, short sleeves, cardigans, and then it goes to like a long sleeve blouses, pretty much all the way over there. And then I have, what is it, like little tunics, pretty much. Yeah, tunics, rompers, short rompers, and then like pants rompers, if that makes sense. Dresses. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I'm out of shape. But yeah, long sleeve dresses, t-shirt dresses. I used to do it by height, but it took forever. Hold on, let me adjust. I gotta self-adjust. But yeah, and then yeah, all my dresses. Where was I? Okay, bodycon, flowy dramatic dresses. This is velvet. I can't even grab it. This is velvet. I haven't even worn it yet. I had it for at least 3 years. Oh, I did wear it for New Year's Eve. I took pictures in it. And then I have what do you call these? I forget. Like the damn, what are they called? You'll see it. But yeah, then I have silky type of dresses. I can't wait to wear this. Look at this, y'all. It's silk and beaded. Do you see? Yes, ma'am. Thrifted that too. Most of my closet is 90% thrifted, except for like Forever 21, I guess. But yeah, here's that pink dress. I tried it on, y'all. I'm sorry, but I'm keeping it. The glitter one from my last haul. And then this is my favorite dress. Look at it. It's from Guess. Thrifted it. Super what are these called? Damn it. Not the silk. I forget. My mind is going blank right now. But yeah, I have a bunch of these type of dresses. I forgot what it's called. Damn. And I like them too. But yeah, I found this in my pajama drawer, like a little silk nightgown type of dress. Put it in here, of course, because I'm definitely gonna be wearing with some boots. A little juxtaposition type of style or whatever. But yeah, and then I have the bodycon short ones over here, more dressy type of dresses, and then one shouldered, and then strapless. I've never worn this. This is from ASOS. But yeah, and then jackets, and then the blazers. I have one right now, the one that was in the last haul, but I'm gonna put up the rest when I do this little flip revamp type of thing. Okay, so right now I'm pretty much just about to take all of this summer stuff out and lay it on my bed, and then dehanger, and yeah, just stack it up, see what I got. I might keep some like tanks and bodysuits in there just because, you know, you can layer with them or whatever, or even put them underneath, or even wear them by itself with like a jacket or whatever. But yeah, let me do that, and then I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, so pretty much everything on the right here is going away in one of these totes. I gotta empty one out. And then everything, I guess tanks that I can honestly wear whenever, like just to lounge in, or even when I'm hot, like to sleep in. But yeah, I'm gonna keep those. And I'm gonna put them in my drawer. I have like a whole dresser and everything in that room. That's like the studio. See all the Depop clothes on the little hook or whatever, the little rack. But yeah, I'm gonna go through the rest of this. I'm gonna start putting hangers on the stuff that I am keeping, and then I'm gonna hang up the stuff that I am gonna keep in my closet for the winter time. Okay, so more piles of clothing. These are the skirts that I am gonna keep and put them back in my closet. This is getting packed. All of that is going in like the pajama drawer, loungewear. And then I have these Playboy. They're pajama pants. I thrifted them. Like I said, like 90% of my closet is thrifted. So pretty much everything you see, I mean, you might can look for it and try to find it, but yeah, everything you see is pretty much like one of a kind, I guess you could say. Not to brag or anything, but yeah, yeah, these pants, they're staying in my closet. These pants are gonna stay in my closet. I'm debating on this because those are a pair of shorts, but I can always layer them with like tights or leggings and stuff like that. So yeah. And I still ain't even get into these totes. Cause goodness, golly day, I got too much clothes. Got way too many clothes, bro. Gotta stop thrifting. And anyway, for the most part, like if I don't wear something, or if I'm not gonna keep it while I take it out right now, then you know, it'll be on Depop. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I don't want this video to be too long, but yeah, I put all the summer stuff in a tote. That had like old sweats or something. I gotta look through that. I got too many clothes, bro. It's too much. I found another one with sweaters and stuff. Threw them all on the bed. She knocked out. I got the heat on for her. It's a little chilly. I got some hats that I found that I'm probably selling on Depop. This Chucky one, Nickelodeon. Got the tag and everything. And then I got the one from Sesame Place where I used to work. I'm hungry and I'm tired and I want to watch TV. So. If I don't wear this by the end of this year, this is going on Depop by my birthday, which is in January. I got a Columbia. This is my dad's. It fit me, so I took it. And I got some stuff. I'm gonna donate a bunch because this is too much. Okay, so my memory card filled up, so it only got like I think I was putting up the long sleeves last, but yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'll show you what I have left. I have like maybe 3 or 4 blazers that I found that I hung up and about to put in my closet. We're down to 1 tote. This is the last one, but this one is even it's not even going in my closet. It's donating stuff that I'm either donate or sell, but I think I just want to give it away for free. It's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of goodies. But yeah, I kept 2 in my closet at the bottom that has like hats and scarves and stuff. If you can't hear me, it's because of this little heater. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. Like, I put the sweats back up, put a couple skirts back in because I can easily wear those with like leggings and stuff. And then I have a bunch of dress pants that I need to wear. If not, I'm gonna get rid of, and y'all will see it on Depop. Have a bunch of jeans, same thing. If I don't wear them, then they're going on Depop. I have a bunch of coats, a lot of blazers, kind of like trenches. I need another one. The arm kind of ripped. Well, not kind of. The arm did rip on this one. Yeah, hold on. I can get it. Golly dang. Okay, yeah, the arm ripped on that one, so I'm gonna either sew it up or just go thrifting and try to find another one. It's a London fog. Oh, we love those. I only have these to put up, like I said, but yeah, that's my closet. Oof. And I put up some belts too that I had, and that bag, that clear bag. Got it from a fellow Depopper. But yeah, I put up some belts that I probably won't even use. Here's everything. Everything looks neat. I got a bunch of sweaters all over here. And then the blouses again. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm done with the winter flip. The winter closet revamp. Let me get it some lighting first. Okay. If you liked the video, let me know down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on a bunch of other stuff that I got coming. Let me know if you want to see this look. It's just green liner. If anything, if you go to my Instagram, Tmyah'sWorld, that's where all my makeup looks are. If you want to go look at that. Looks that I didn't record. Some looks I did record and posted pictures on there just so you can see it better. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you want any like other thrifting / like clothing closet videos, I guess. That's it. Have a good day. Wear your mask. Please get vaccinated. And care about others, please. Golly day. Tired of begging. If you made it this far, if you watched the whole thing, let me know. With like a little like the shopping bag emojis, put them in my comments. And yeah, even tell me like what's your favorite item that you saw in the whole process of this. I'm tired. My arm hurts. This camera's low-key heavy. Bye. see you in my next video. Bye.